Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sport Scooter Aerox 155.
Ubapol lingdo obolong working president jog United Democratic Party haga nyutri rumpang araja afulai ul thep kerteng banyak kun biang yak election syakiyeng dorba thawan jong jela na West Shillong constituency persya yu kurtong ke NPP uba Mohendro Rapsang bat persya yu kurtong jog BJP uba Ernest Mauri haga jing kran bigelat pathai kubor ubapol loong baudon ke jing sngus kem bat ke jing shanya bagi Paidbah gin penjob biang yu haga ni ke kenti bat haga juk opor loong ru bagi Paidbah jong West Shillong constituency kin kampe yo Briew ubala Biang ke kerdan Jingnang Jingstad ubala dan ke Jingtbit bat ke Jingkhlaiñ bor.
We are very confident. This is a very auspicious day, and in the sense that 7 and also being the last date for filing the nomination shows our level of confidence that we are filing today, and where preparedness is concerned, both of us, Dr. Aman and myself, are well prepared, and Biang should be prepared for its second journey. We've completed the golden jubilee of the state, so today it's a second chance for Biang to re-emerge and reinvigorate itself through the mandate of the people. Well, the major issues that remain unattended to, which I have tried to give full attention during my tenure of 15 years, empowering of the youth, creation of job avenues for them. We also have a major problem of high level of drug addiction and dropout. These are a few issues that top the agenda in my list of priorities. Well, that is his calculation. I am not part of his calculation. I didn't know what he checked, whether he used a computer, whether he used a calculator. So I will respect that opinion of his without adding any of mine. Well, had I been a distributor, I would not have lost the last elections. Had I used money power, I would have sure been in the assembly till this term. But the fact that I lost because of the influence of money power should speak for itself. And more importantly, people look up to me as a policy maker, as someone who initiates and takes part in debates in the House. Therefore, this tag of distributing stuff really does not worry me at all. Well, the electorate of West Shillong are the best judge. I do not believe in harping on his weaknesses to lose my own strength. My strength is inherent to me, and I need not use any of his weaknesses as a plus point or an additional point to my share of the votes.
Kabat mai kibali ini tak anda kau youth power door jam sam kadai powerhouse de ya kata powerhouse nilam teplot entah sekai jong drug addiction alcoholism but kita ki issues ingin pisang ban pay attention high ke besar sama gitu ni tanpa potential ke bun dan kan ki constituency ba nginam penyang tang na kamta pasek ni tang ban ong bala don teng jo nilai syaka assessment haka assessment long ba hagi tu kijaka ki bang yang tu konsumsi yang gidi kijaka ngiklan hagi jaka ki bang ngim don di bagian wan syakatam de mungkin somno nang baki resources ke jinglop jingsat or ka pi ai in concentrate kini bala ban ki pikran ya ke jingklot bagi pen yang lai constituency ngakran ya ke Jingkhlaiñ bagi pen yang sau constituency nak nyok apa muat
You expect kibru ki expect baka yut bi kan penyang habaro kam tam ke jakasar ngang ni makta
ke Jingkhlaiñ di kedeban match rupan kakam lagi electorate impat say ya ke Briew ki berlawan challenge na Shillong South dan mana pentor dengan syupen bu kandidat tang bala ong balabu ayo kerteng ki bubur ki kuat menilai mereka ndai ngingi hapan fokus ki seat balong winnable mengilang job kemah snow's kemah ki electorate kim ratio Briew sansan ke tak ada experience ke jongki ke nga scam jut ba di Paidbah kim Jied Briew ba combine experience education energy experience education energy Jingnang Jingstad Jingtbit mereka dan Jingkhlaiñ